Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about contact forces. We shall be learning its definition and various types of contact forces that you see in everyday life. Now, if you have to define contact force, this is a force that comes into existence whenever there is a direct contact between two objects. Now when I say direct contact, it can be of two types. Number one, there is object to object contact. Number two, there is contact but with the help of an connector. Let me explain this by taking examples. Suppose you're playing cricket. Now the ball is in your hand and you threw it. Now whenever you threw this thing, you have applied force. Now there is a direct contact or object to object contact between the ball and your hand, isn't it? There is no middleman over there. However, look at the picture over here. The batsman is hitting the ball with the help of a bat. There is no direct contact between his hands and the ball. So the bat here is serving as the connector. I hope this is clear. Now moving on, let's take some examples of contact forces. The very first one is the biological or muscular forces. Obviously, this is the force generated by our muscles. So all these activities, pushing, pulling, stretching, cutting, carrying, hammering, all these activities involve biological or muscular forces. This is pretty simple to understand. Now the second one is the mechanical forces. Now the mechanical forces are the forces that comes into existence due to machines, right? If you look at the picture over here, this is a picture of a windmill. The windmill is a machine. The fans will rotate continuously to produce the force. Typical examples are written over here: train pulling wagons and rocket carrying a satellite. Now last but not the least is a frictional force. Now frictional force is the opposing force, as you have studied earlier classes. So whenever you're riding a bicycle or sliding an object across a surface, you get the frictional force. Now if you have to understand this concept, friction, so let's say there is a table over here, and across this table you are sliding this box. Okay, so this is what it looks like, but actually the table surface is not smooth, so it consists of irregularities, and the box bottom surface is also not smooth, so it consists of irregularities also. So whenever you are going to do this, that means sliding, so you are applying force in this direction, but this irregularities over here, they will interlock each other, and as a result you will get an opposing force in this direction, and this opposing force is nothing but the friction. All right, I hope you're clear with the concept of friction. So these are the contact forces we have discussed. In the next video we shall be discussing about non-contact